If you love reading, imagine turning your passion into an income stream. In 2024, the possibilities for making money by reading books are more varied and accessible than ever before, thanks to technology, social media, and the evolving publishing landscape. Whether you prefer sharing your thoughts on social platforms, reviewing books professionally, narrating audiobooks, or harnessing affiliate marketing, there's a niche for every reader to monetize their love for literature. Let's begin with one of the most dynamic and influential platforms of recent years, Book Talk. This TikTok sub-community has revolutionized how readers connect, share, and even influence the publishing industry. As of October 2024, the Book Talk hashtag had racked up over 309 billion views and about 52 million posts. Its sheer reach makes it a powerful force, not just for book lovers, but for authors and publishers seeking to promote their works. If you enjoy sharing book reviews, recommendations, or engaging in lively book discussions, Book Talk offers a unique opportunity to earn real income. Successful creators have leveraged sponsored content, affiliate marketing, and direct partnerships with publishers and authors. By building a following, you can attract brands and companies seeking to reach your audience, with payments ranging from free books to substantial sponsorship deals. Moving beyond social media, another practical avenue is freelance book reviewing. Platforms like Kirkus Media pay around $50 per review, with a particular focus on self-published authors who are eager for exposure and honest feedback. If you have a knack for critical analysis and can articulate your thoughts clearly, this could be a rewarding side gig. Similarly, onlinebookclub.org allows you to start by receiving free books in exchange for your first review, and subsequent reviews can earn you between $5 and $60. These platforms are always seeking fresh voices, making it a straightforward entry point for anyone with an opinion and a love for books. For those who enjoy bringing stories to life with their voice, audiobook narration is an increasingly lucrative field. The rise of digital audiobooks has created a booming demand for narrators, with professionals earning anywhere from $200 to $1,000 per title, depending on the length and complexity of the project. Platforms such as ACX connect narrators with authors and publishers, streamlining the production process. To succeed, you'll need to invest in solid recording equipment and develop your voice modulation skills, but the rewards can be substantial. Audiobook narration is particularly appealing if you enjoy theatrical reading or want to explore voice acting. Affiliate marketing is another powerful tool for book lovers to monetize their recommendations. By joining programs like Amazon Associates or bookshop.org, you can earn commissions on book sales made through your unique referral links. This method allows you to leverage your online presence, whether through a blog, YouTube channel, or social media account, to drive traffic and generate income. The more authentic and engaging your recommendations, the higher the likelihood that your followers will trust your suggestions and make purchases. Now, let's explore some lesser-known but equally viable ways to make money by reading books. Consider joining paid research studies or focus groups that require reading specific materials. Market research firms and academic institutions sometimes recruit participants to evaluate new books, educational materials, or even manuscripts in progress. Compensation varies, but these opportunities often pay either per book or per hour, and can be a unique way to influence the future of literature and learning resources. Another intriguing option is proofreading and editing. If you have a keen eye for detail and a strong command of grammar, you can offer your services to self-published authors, small publishers, or even academic writers. Proofreaders and editors are essential in the publishing process, ensuring that books are polished and ready for readers. Rates vary by experience and project length, but seasoned professionals can command competitive fees, making this a worthwhile pursuit for those who relish reading with a critical eye. Beta reading is another side hustle gaining traction. Authors, especially those self-publishing, seek beta readers to provide honest feedback on drafts before publication. This role is less formal than professional reviewing, but equally valuable. Beta readers help shape stories, flag inconsistencies, and provide insights from a reader's perspective. Payment may range from free books and early access to monetary compensation, depending on the author's budget. Transcription services also offer opportunities for book lovers. Some publishers and researchers require audio recordings of interviews, lectures, or discussions to be transcribed into written form. If you're a fast reader and typist, transcription can be a reliable way to earn money while engaging with a wide range of book-related content. For those with teaching experience or expertise in literature, tutoring can be a rewarding way to monetize your reading skills. Many students need support with reading comprehension, literary analysis, or exam preparation. Platforms like Wisant and Tutor.com connect tutors with students, allowing you to offer your services virtually. Rates typically depend on your qualifications and subject area, but tutoring can be a steady source of income, especially during exam seasons. If you're inclined toward entrepreneurship, consider starting a book subscription service or book club with a paid membership model. Curate selections, organize discussions, and build a community around a shared love of reading. Combining this with affiliate marketing or sponsored content can further enhance your earning potential. Ghostwriting is another advanced avenue for income. If you have strong writing skills and a deep understanding of genre conventions, you can write books, articles, or other literary content on behalf of clients. Ghostwriters are typically paid per project, with rates varying widely based on complexity and length. This path requires more commitment and expertise, but it can be highly lucrative if you establish a reputation for quality and reliability. For those who enjoy sharing their reading journey, launching a monetized blog or YouTube channel can be both fun and profitable. Creating content around book reviews, recommendations, reading challenges, or literary discussions can attract a dedicated audience. Monetization comes through ads, sponsorships, affiliate links, and even merchandise. The key is consistency and authentic engagement. Readers and viewers are drawn to genuine passion and unique perspectives. Literary translation is a specialized field with growing demand, especially as global readership expands. If you are fluent in multiple languages, translating books can be both intellectually stimulating and financially rewarding. Translators are often paid per word or per project, with opportunities in both fiction and nonfiction. Another emerging trend is interactive reading apps and platforms that pay users to engage with content. These apps gamify the reading experience, offering rewards, points, or even cash for completing books, writing reviews, or participating in discussions. While the payouts may be modest, they add up over time and can be fun for those who enjoy reading challenges and community engagement. Participating in book contests or writing competitions is another creative way to earn money. Many organizations host contests for book reviews, essays, or creative writing, with cash prizes for winners. While competition can be stiff, these opportunities encourage you to hone your skills and gain recognition. If you're interested in the business side of publishing, consider becoming a literary agent or consultant. Agents help authors navigate the publishing process, negotiate deals, and promote their work. While this career requires industry knowledge and networking, it's a way to combine your love of books with business acumen. Lastly, don't overlook public speaking or hosting workshops. If you have expertise in a particular genre or literary topic, you can offer lectures, webinars, or workshops for a fee. This is especially effective when combined with other monetization strategies, such as selling related books or resources. In summary, the digital age has expanded the horizons for readers to earn income in ways that align with their skills and interests. From the massive influence of book talk and the accessibility of freelance reviewing, to the professional opportunities in narration, editing, and translation, today's landscape offers countless paths. Whether you're looking for a side gig or a full-time career, the key is to identify your strengths, build your presence, and engage authentically with your community. By embracing these opportunities, you can turn your love for reading into a rewarding and sustainable source of income, making every page you turn a step toward financial success.